Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking key prerequisites so the rest flows smoothly. First, confirm the date, T-sheet blocks, and maximum players, and secure the course with a deposit. This ensures availability. Once done, draft a simple budget showing entry fees, sponsor income, prize costs, and a 10% contingency, because you need realistic numbers to sell sponsorships. Make sure to choose a scoring format and backup rain date. These early decisions direct vendor bookings and communicate expectations to players. You now move into detailed execution. Open registration with a clear form that collects names, flight preferences, payment, and medical notes. Automate confirmations so you reduce admin work. Meanwhile, secure sponsors and assign branding locations, confirm volunteer shifts, and assign marshals to holes for pace of play. Once volunteers are confirmed, finalize the food service and prize logistics, and produce a printable rules sheet and schedule. Make sure to rehearse check-in flow and scoring path to avoid bottlenecks on event day. You handle the finish by executing a tight day of plan. Open early, staff check-in, hand out scorecards and pairings, and enforce start times so the round finishes on schedule. Once scoring is complete, verify results and present prizes promptly while thanking sponsors and volunteers publicly. After the event, reconcile payments, pay vendors, and send receipts, archive photos, sign-in lists, and contracts for next year. If something goes wrong, like delayed scoring, retriage by using a single appointed scorer per flight to finalize results quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.